In your existence in this world, can you say that you have already discovered your passion? Well, people say that finding your passion is the happiest place to be. But did you know that you can turn your passion into a business? This process necessitates patience, knowing your worth, and believing in yourself and your passion. We've taken some advice from those experts and will explain why some businesses fail and give you tips on how to avoid it. Also, in this video, we will walk you through the steps of developing your idea and turning it into a business. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Life of Luxury. Savor the flavor of exploring wealth, where we post videos about life and luxury. Join us on an exciting video as we explore the wonderful lives of the elite. We are absolutely thrilled to share our knowledge with you. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can continue to post videos on this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment and we'll make sure to engage and start some interesting discussions with you. Is there something you've wanted to do for a long time but haven't had the courage to do? Well, it is possible to turn your passion into a business. All you need to do is find the right angle on when and where to begin. As an example, consider soap making. Assume you are skilled at making soap, but others as well. Apart from making soaps, what else can you do? You can be a soap distributor, a YouTuber of soap making tutorials, an influencer and workshop host, a writer of an ebook about that, or a manufacturer of your own soap brand. See, there are a lot of options. Now, how can you bring your skills to your new business to give it the best of you? Let's get into the process of how to convert your passion into a business. 1. Use your entire skill set to add value to your business. For example, if you are skilled in technology, why not create a stunning Facebook page for your business? Why not create content and market your company if you're a good writer? If you are not an expert in a particular field, you can outsource it. Outsource whatever you are unable to do and focus your saved energy on what you can do well. 2. Find your niche in an already competitive marketplace. Let us apply another passion to a business idea. Assume you adore dogs and run a dog daycare. What can you offer customers that other doggy daycares cannot? You could, for example, provide a live camera feed to your furry customers while they are in your care and have a daily check-in video call with their owner. You were able to keep your customers for the long term by doing so. You could provide pet grooming services, a dog bakery for treats, specialized toys, or even arrange pet travel. The point here is that it is essential to fill a need, while also adding value to your clients. As the former business executive Seth Godin said, "There's no shortage of remarkable ideas. What's missing is the will to execute them." 3. Secure your customers. You must understand who your customers are and how you intend to reach them. You must create a customer profile. Look for information about them, such as their gender, age, income, and where they live. Conduct market research, questionnaires, interviews, and focus groups. Seth Godin suggests a book on the subject. It's called 1000 True Fans. Now, this book teaches an income model and demonstrates how to make a living doing what you enjoy. 4. Don't be afraid to take risks. Be quick to adapt to new ideas, concepts, and changes. It's indeed terrifying to turn your passion into a business. As Mark Zuckerberg said, "The biggest risk is not taking any risk." In a world that is changing really quickly, the only strategy that is only guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. But keep in mind that you are the artist of your own masterpiece. Depending on your skill, you can create artwork. You have the ability to generate new ideas and concepts. You must also constantly educate yourself by reading. Accept or give advice to someone who needs it. Set the trend. Show compassion and humility. Don't forget to concentrate on your product or service so that your time and effort are not wasted rethinking things. Don't worry, we will tell you why some businesses failed so you can avoid them. So stay tuned until the end. 5. Have a firm grasp on how to monetize your product or service. This is a critical area, but you could seek assistance in this regard. You should have a clear understanding of how you intend to make money from your products or services, whether you need funding or if you must apply for a bank loan and make sacrifices to repay the loan. You could also do trade exchanges to reduce your financial burden and identify your startup costs and expenses. Once you truly understand this, you can start putting up your plans. 6. Make a business plan and a minimum viable product. This provides you with a good sense of direction, provides you with a list of potential challenges and solutions to overcome them. It will also allow you to maintain your competitiveness and provide value to your customers. Creating a minimum viable product, on the other hand, will put your market to the test. It is the actual viable product for service with the fewest features to allow developers to see how the product is received by customers. Seeing how people interact with the product or service is far more reliable than simply hearing what they think about it. 7. Don't go in balls to the walls. We can imagine your excitement when you finally had the courage to put your skills to use, but we strongly advise you to take it slowly at first. Begin small, test the waters, do it as a side hustle for a while, and use that to weigh the benefits and drawbacks. For example, you could begin cooking in your own kitchen first and do your jobs to keep your losses to a minimum and avoid business failure. We will tell you later why other businesses fail, so stay tuned. 8. Determine your long-term strategic plan. It is preferable to start with a goal in mind. Do you want to be the boss of your own company, or just have it as a side hustle to supplement your other income? That is entirely dependent on how you allocate your resources. Remember that turning your passion into a business can backfire, especially if you run into problems. Things you used to enjoy doing may now turn out to be your least favorite pastime. So remember Steve Jobs' words, your work will fill a large part of your life. And the only way to be truly satisfied is to do work that you believe is great. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. 9. Be flexible and adaptable. Be on the lookout for industry changes. If changes occur, be flexible and remember that the only certainties in life are life, death, taxes, and change. Now it's sharing time. What advice do you have for everyone, especially our viewers, who want to turn their passion into a business? We'd love to hear it all. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section. As promised, we will go over the reasons why small businesses fail. 42% of small businesses fail due to a lack of market need, 29% due to a lack of cash, 23% due to a lack of the right team to work together, 19% due to being outcompeted, cost and pricing issues forcing 18% to close down, 17% confirmed that having no business model can cause your business to fail, and 14% because of poor marketing. Remember, you can avoid these things if you follow the advice we gave you in this video. We are definitely confident that your passion will lead you to a prosperous business career. That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, remember to subscribe to The Life of Luxury for more videos to help you explore the wonderful lives of the elite. make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. See you in our next video!